And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, this is going to be good snowman making snow for the kids. It'll be very wet, slushy, and will pack very, very well. But there's a bad side to this snow too, because typically normal snowfall, say when it's 30 degrees with a 10-to-1 ratio, you know, a cubic foot will weigh about 10 pounds. And the kind of snow we had back in December, that snow only weighed about maybe 2 pounds per cubic foot. This snow is going to be different. It's going to weigh about double what normal snow would weigh. It's going to weigh about 20 pounds per cubic foot. The snow ratios are going to be running about 6 to 1. So for a 1 inch of liquid, we're going to get about 6, maybe 7 inches of snow out of the deal, with temperatures running 32 to 33. So be careful shoveling. It will put tremendous strain on your body, specifically your heart, if you're out there especially shoveling for a long period of time. That wet snow arrives in our southern counties by about 12:30, then it spreads the area from that point right up through 3 a.m. The heaviest snowfall rates, ½ inch to 1 inch an hour, should reside in the 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. time frame. The steady snow ends by 6 p.m. And given the nature of the weight of the heavy snow, and winds gusting 30 to 40 miles an hour at times, I can't rule out even a couple or a few little isolated power outages. With temperatures tomorrow about 32 to 34, there are the strong winds from the east-northeast gradually turning to the north and the northwest. And again, that heaviest snow generally in the afternoon hours, late morning and right through the afternoon. Thursday, it's a scattering of snow showers around with some breaks kind of in between. We could get a little bit more accumulation, a little coating here and there, with highs 29 to 31. Still kind of blustery, some gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour, so a little bit of blowing and drifting. But this snow is going to be so heavy overall, it will have a hard time blowing and drifting around. There'll be some, but it's not going to be like what we had, you know, back in December and other snows we've had in the past, where it blows around and drifts very easily. All that said, here's all the snow coming in. Wet, gloppy snow area-wide. At 4:30 in the morning, you'll see the heavier bands of snow setting up right through 10 a.m., right through noon tomorrow, still snowing around 3. And then the steady snows pull away by 6, and then it's just a scattering of snow showers right through Thursday, and then we get a brief lull for Friday morning with 4 to 6 inches of snow by Thursday. Fowler up to Monticello, Kewanna, and northward. 6 to 8 inches the rest of the area. And this corridor from Covington and Kingman to Frankfort, Clarks Hill, Southside Lafayette, Dayton, Flora, Kokomo, Rucherville, over to the Grissom Air Reserve Basin around Galveston, could see a few amounts that exceed 8 inches, say 8.5, 9, 9.5 inches. But this little clipper system could bring maybe an inch, maybe an inch and a half of snow, but this snow will be very fluffy when it falls on Friday and into Friday night. So it'll blow and drift a little bit, and then perhaps a little icy mix and some additional minor accumulating snow during the weekend as the bitter cold, which one little piece comes down at first and then the whole batch comes down. The gate is unlocked come early February, with temperatures dropping a good 20 degrees below normal, and we'll get some wind chills less than 20 below zero in early February. So it's an active forecast, accumulating precip for the weekend, some snow and a little ice. Keep an eye on that. A couple flurries Monday, more snow late Tuesday, and then bitterly cold weather. The first batches of the cold weather come in as we get into next week.